A boy born in Queensland, Australia, grows up around reptiles, including crocodiles, and later becomes one of the most renowned crocodile hunter, environmentalist, and wildlife educator. In fact, he receives python as a gift on his 6th birthday from his father. He also begins handling crocodiles from the early age of 9. Since his father had a small zoo, he had such wonderful opportunities to handle animals, especially reptiles. During his honeymoon with his wife, Terri, he and his team produce a film, The Crocodile Hunter, which becomes very popular in more than 130 countries. Terri and he falls in love. They call love at first sight. Regarding their love affair, Terri says, "I thought there was no one like this anywhere in the world. He sounded like an environmental Tarzan, a larger-than-life superhero guy. Because of his work, he receives many awards, honor, recognition. By now, you may have already guessed who he is. If not, he is none other than Steve Irwin. Unfortunately, he passed away only at the age of 44 in 2006 by being pierced in the chest by stingray. At that time, they were shooting Ocean's Deadliest documentary series. That was very unfortunate accident. He was killed by the animals that he loved most. He once said, "What good is a fast car, a flash house, and gold-plated dunny to me? Absolutely no good at all. I have been put on this planet to protect wildlife and wilderness areas, which in a sense is going to help humanity. I want to have the purest oceans. I want to be able to drink water straight out of that creek. I want to stop the ozone layer. I want to save the world. And you know, money is great. I can't get enough money, and you know what I am going to do with it? I am going to buy wilderness area with it. Every single cent I get goes straight into conservation." Wow, this is really, really powerful. He's thinking to protect whole ecosystem. Yes, conservation was his passion, his enthusiasm. He seems in his program, he seems very, very enthusiastic and full of dreams. In fact, to fulfill his dream, he bought large tracts of land in many countries, including, of course, Australia, the United States, and Fiji. I hope that one day, maybe his children, they are also following his footsteps. If not, someone somewhere will, should, or must fulfill this conservation hero's dream. Steve is the real hero of the holistic ecosystem. Let's honor his contribution, get inspired from his work, and take action for our shared home, our Mother Earth. If not now, when? If not us, who? Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing other inspirational stories. If you like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.